Hi everyone. Have you ever tried to capture a screenshot from YouTube video at exact moment without using keyboard shortcuts or editor tools? In this video, we'll build a Chrome extension that serves the same purpose that will allow us to download high quality screenshots from any YouTube video at exact moment where we want. Uh, we will cover the setting up Chrome extension using Manifest v3, building the user interface for it, interacting with the YouTube videos, downloading the screenshot from it, then packaging the extension and deploy it in Chrome Web Store. By end of this video, we will have a fully functional Chrome extension and have a solid understanding of how to build Chrome extension from scratch using Manifest v3. So let's get started. I have Claude Code setup. I explained it in another video. I will provide the link for the Claude Code setup in this video's description. You can follow that if you don't have Claude Code setup in your VS Code. I hope you have Claude Code setup in your VS Code. You have to open a new chart session and give a simple prompt like this. Create a Chrome extension for YouTube screenshot capture. That's it. So you're saying I will create a Chrome extension with a pop-up UI that captures current YouTube video frame. You can see here it's an empty folder. First it create a manifest.json file for us. If you open it, you can see all the details. So it's manifest version 3. The name of the extension is YouTube screenshot capture. This is the version. This is the description of it and the permissions you require to capture the screenshots. And it created the icons content script for us. Let's wait for a few more minutes so that it will complete the setup for us. So all the files are in place. It's explaining what it built. So we have a manifest.json, content.js. It has the core logic to capture the screenshot and popup.html that will give the UI for us related to that Chrome extension. And these are the icons we have. It is explain the features. Capture the current video frame with one click. Live preview in the popup. You can download it as a PNG or you can copy it to the clipboard. So to install what we need to do also it is explaining. So here are the files. Let me load the extension. These two are the extension I built. This extension I built long ago, but this one I built using Claude Code. Similar way, we built a new extension for YouTube screenshot capture, right? Let me load that one. So first what you need to do is you need to open Chrome extensions URL. You can directly type or you can open it from here also. You can click on manage extension. That will also take you to the same page. Once you are in this page, by default, it won't be toggled on. You need to toggle it on the developer mode. So once you toggle it on, you will see these buttons load unpacked. That means you enabled developer mode. By default, developer mode will be disabled. Once you enable it, you will click on load unpacked and you have to choose the location of the extension. So I kept it in downloads. Let me choose this YouTube screenshot folder and click on select folder. Once you select it, the extension will be loaded like this, YouTube screenshot capture. Okay. If you want to see it in the top menu, what you need to do is click on extensions, pin the extension. Once you pin the extension, you can see it in the top menu bar. Let me open my channel and open a video. Once I open it, if I want to take a screenshot of this one, what I can do is I can click on it. Let me reload the one. Then only the script will be loaded and you will be able to capture the screenshot. So I reloaded the video. Once I have in this page, if I want to capture the screenshot, I can click on capture frame. So it captured the frame. If I want to copy, I will click on copy button. If I want to download, I will click on download button. If I click on download, it is downloaded. You can see it here. So it captured the entire YouTube screenshot. It's a simple extension. We built it within 5 minutes with a simple prompt. Once you have the extension, after you completing all the testing, what you can do is you can package it and deploy in a Chrome Web Store. Okay, I will show you that also, how to deploy a Chrome extension in the Web Store. Go to Downloads folder where you have the extension. You can select all the files. You can zip all the files and you can give a name YouTube screenshot. Once you zip all the files of the Chrome extension, you need to go to Chrome Web Store. Yeah. To deploy a Chrome extension, you should have an account in Chrome Web Store. When you have it, then only you can see the screen. Once you sign up for Chrome Web Store as a developer, you need to pay small amount in between 500 to 1000, around 650 INR, I guess. I did it 1 year ago, so I forgot. But yeah, once you pay the amount, you will be allowed to publish Chrome extensions to the Chrome Web Store. I have already published two extensions. You can see when I created them, when I last updated, what are the ratings I have, how many weekly users I have. These are not installations. These are weekly users I have. Okay, if I go to any extension, you can see all the details about it. How many installs I have in last 30 days, how many installs I have by region, language, how many uninstalls I have. These are all details I can see. And if I want to see the impressions, I can see it here. How many page views in the last 30 days, the impressions across the web store. These all things I can see. The users details also I can see how your weekly users are increasing from 179 to 230. These all details I can see, and what are the versions most of the users are using. These details also we can find, and in the rating screen we can find the ratings for that Chrome extension. Since you are publishing it for the first time, you don't see anything here. You need to click on new item. Once you click on the new item, it will ask you to select the file. You will go to the downloads folder and you will select the zip file you have. Once you select the zip file, you will be navigated to this screen. In this screen, you need to fill all the details of your Chrome extension. We just gave name of that extension within the manifest.json. So from manifest.json, it will capture the title. Title is very, very important. From the title only, your extension will be shown to the end users. In general, you need to pick the keywords that most people will use to utilize this extension. In general, people will try with these keywords, right? YouTube, screenshot, capture. These are the common keywords they use to search for these kind of extensions. So it's a better naming convention for this. That's why Claude Code also suggested the same for us. Once you have it, you need to provide a detailed description for that Chrome extension, what it is going to do. All the details you need to provide in the description. And in the category, you can select tools. You can select developer tools, something like that. That describes the category of that extension. Then in the languages, you can select the language. Since we are providing everything in English, you can choose English, and then you need to provide the store icon. So whatever icon you want to give, you need to build an icon for your Chrome extension. That icon you should select, and you need to prepare 5 screenshots that clearly explains the purpose of your Chrome extension. If you give those screenshots, that will help the end users to understand the purpose of your Chrome extension. Once you provide them in the privacy tab, you need to provide the purpose of it, and you asked for active tab, scripting, downloads, host permissions, right? For all of them, you need to provide a justification. Why do you require them? And if you are capturing any data, you should select a respective field. If you are not capturing any end user data, you don't need to select anything. But if you capture anything, you should tell the reason for that. You should provide, and you should submit this disclosure also. I don't sell or transfer the data. These all details we should accept before publishing the store. Once you provide all the details, you have to submit it for review. It will take few days. If you ask for more permissions like active tab scripting, there will be scrutiny. They may take 7 days to 10 days to go through the entire Chrome extension architecture, review the files, what you have in your extension. Once they complete the review process, they will give you the approval for publishing the Chrome extension. If you see my Chrome extension, I provided the entire description, the icon, the same icon you are seeing here, and the screenshot for my extension. To explain how to use the extension, you can provide a promo video as well. And yeah, and if you go to privacy tab, I explained the purpose of it, and for each permission I requested, I provided the justification. Why do I require active tab? Why do I require scripting? Why do I require storage? Everything I explained. I'm not collecting any data, that's why I didn't select anything. And I certified these disclosures. I don't sell or transfer, I don't use or transfer. These all things I provided. And we need to provide a privacy policy also. If you have a website, you can put the privacy policy there. If you don't have a website, then you can create a simple Google Doc, and the doc URL you can provide it like a privacy policy. This is mandatory. If you don't provide a privacy policy, they don't allow you to submit the extension for review. Once you provide all the details, you can submit it for review. It will take 7 to 10 days, and they will approve it if you follow all the guidelines. Yeah, that's all I have for this episode. I hope it clarifies all the things to build a new Chrome extension and deploy it in Chrome Web Store. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you found this video useful, like this, subscribe to the channel and share this one. And that will help the channel grow and motivate me to create more content like this. I will meet you in the next episode. Thank you.